is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn today how to use drop cap in Microsoft Word. Sometimes you may have noticed a large capital letter at the beginning of a paragraph in a newspaper or magazine. You can also use this feature in your documents. And Microsoft Word provides you this facility. You can create a large dropped initial capital letter by using drop cap. To create a drop cap letter, follow the given steps. Click in the paragraph in which you want to begin with a drop cap letter. Click insert. Like in this document, I would like to use the drop cap here in the word from the starting word clouds. So I have just select this portion. Now click the insert tab from here from the ribbon, and I will click the drop cap button from text group. So you can see where this is the text group and here is the drop cap option. Now choose the dropped in margin this way. From the list you can see the changes in your paragraph. So once you click it, you can see the difference and you can apply the drop cap like this. But you can also see that if you would like to use this option, then it has a different view like this way. In margins, the letter C goes to the left side, and if you click this drop option, then you can see it remains at the same position. If you click on the drop cap options like this option, and when you click it, then you have viewers, you can see that the same dropped and in margin view can be seen in the drop cap box. So from here I would like to select the in margin option, and from here I would like to select the Algerian style from this, and lines to drop will be like 8, and the distance from the text will be 0.5. That would be okay. So here you can see that it has a great effect on the document, and if you want to change it again, then you can go to the drop cap options, and from here you can select Algerian and just put this lines to drop 3 and distance from the text is 0.3. So this way you can see that the drop can be used. But if you don't want the distance, the gap, you can again click it and you can reduce the distance from the text and you can select 0. This way you can see that you can apply a drop cap in your Microsoft Word document. So I hope that you find this video helpful in learning drop cap in Microsoft Word. And that's all, and thanks for watching.